Introducing the Zillion Shiatsu Pillow Massager. The Shiatsu massager has 2 different settings for ultimate relaxation: massage and heat and just massage. Hold down the button for 3 seconds to turn it off. The massager is easy to use. Just ensure that the connections are tight. You should hear a click, then just plug it into a home outlet or a car socket. The Shiatsu massager has an ultra-slim ergonomic design which contours perfectly around lower and upper back, neck, abdomen, calf, and thigh areas. The massage motors are also very powerful to ensure a deep massage. Now sit back, relax, and let the Zillion Shiatsu Pillow Massager relieve all your aches, knots, and muscle tension.
Our brains emit waves that are natural, measurable functions that indicate levels of focus, stress, sleep, and deep relaxation. We've been able to measure that brain activity for years, but only by strapping on helmets or equipment that isn't very portable or practical. But today, United Sciences has developed a new wearable product that is about to change everything. Introducing Aware Hearables. Custom-fit Bluetooth headphones with brain and body sensors.
By adapting our ear scanning technology to a wearable platform that's already ubiquitous, we have what we believe is going to be a device that changes the way we interact with technology that surrounds us. Aware Hearables will not only connect you to your music or your mobile phone, it will also connect you with your mind and body in ways that haven't been possible on a consumer product ever before. And since the hearables are custom fitted for your ear, they won't fall out. You won't need to constantly adjust them. They're just so comfortable you will hardly feel them. Through an app that we are currently developing, Aware Hearables will provide you with reliable biometric data and brainwave activity, so you can become more aware of yourself and how your mind and body responds to the environment around you. These custom-fitted hearables will sync with an app that will track and display your focus, mindfulness, and stress levels in real time. It will track your sleep patterns. It will track your heart rate while exercising, as well as calories burned, speed and distance travel. So help us get there. Please back us now. Let's start this hearable revolution together.
In order to charge various devices, it is necessary to own multiple chargers with specific outputs. Before you know it, your room is full of chargers. The CIO 2C1A 65 watt will help you tidy up your room. The CIO 2C1A uses gallium nitride technology and is about half the size of a genuine Apple MacBook power adapter. It is 40% lighter than Apple's MacBook adapter and half the size of a credit card. It has 2 USB-C ports and 1 USB-A port. Since it has multiple ports, up to 3 devices can be charged at once. Now I will introduce the CIO 2C1A in more detail. Since it has both USB-C1 and USB-C2 ports, it supports Power Delivery 3.0 and PPS. It lets us charge Apple devices, tablets, laptops, and other devices quickly. USB-A supports Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0. Fast charging of any Android device is possible. USB-C port can charge a 13-inch MacBook Pro which uses 65 watts. It will be fully charged in about 90 minutes. High power charging is possible even with multiple USB-C or USB-A ports being used at once. You can charge both a MacBook and an iPhone quickly. Also, it can charge up to 3 devices simultaneously. It can charge USB-A devices such as AirPods. The CIO 2C1A is the best way to charge an iPhone, Android devices, tablets, laptops, a Nintendo Switch, and many other devices. Half the size of a credit card, it is the world's smallest 2C1A charger with gallium nitride technology.
Some moments in life leave you awestruck. Why they happen is a mystery. When love takes hold, all you can do is surrender to it. Celebrate it, nurture it, give it to others, and give it life. Let that love grow, and give it back to the person who gave it to you. We don't love just to heal a broken heart.
Show me that muscle.
Or to fill the empty spaces.
Big arm, look at that.
Love is permanent, alive, and unconditional. And one day, you can look back at images more vivid and clear than memory alone, taking us back to the moment we found love, again and again.
Mommy, what happened to Daddy?
Yeah, seriously. It's like I disappear after 2014. Oh, there I am.
Amber stores the digital memories that we capture over the course of our lives. Pictures, music, movies, and information saved locally, with unlimited storage and a personal cloud that lets you share safely with friends and family. Because what you store is much more than data. It's how you remember where you've been and where you're going, who you are and what you love. Memories often fade, so store your life in Amber.